This website has never been featured on my channel before, but it has the potential to earn you hundreds of dollars over and over again. This isn't about affiliate marketing, it's not about selling, and it's not about recording your videos. Normally, you must spend many hours on your computer or laptop in order to be paid in small amounts of money. But today, I'm gonna show you a website where we can use to make money online. Welcome to Finance Hub, where we will teach you tips and tricks to make money online. Now, before we get started, I'd like to remind you that if you like this type of content and want to see more, please support my channel by giving this video a thumbs up below. And if you don't want to miss out on our future videos, click on that red subscribe button and turn on notifications, and you will be notified whenever I upload a new video. With that being said, let's get started. Okay, so this is a website where you'll need to sign up and where we will be paid today. It's called clearvoice.com. And because I've never talked about this platform before on this channel, and I know most of you watching don't know what it is, I will explain to you and show you how to take advantage of this site. Clear Voice is a website that hires people to create articles for them. Specifically, different business owners hire freelancers to produce articles, and I'll teach you how to get those articles written for you so you don't have to. And because of that, it doesn't require any writing abilities or skills whatsoever. And before you ask, no, I'm not going to show you different PLR sites or whatever to get the articles. Instead, we'll be using a different platform for that. With that in mind, in order to begin earning money on this platform, you'll need to create an account. To do so, hover your mouse over to Talent Network here and click on Join the Talent Network. By the way, you can see on the left side that there are some categories in which you can publish articles, such as advertising and marketing, finance, healthcare, software and technology, and a lot more are covered. With that said, all you have to do to make an account on the following page is enter your full name and click on the Get Started button down below. From there, you'll have the option of signing up using email, Google, or Twitter. I'd recommend using Google or Twitter because it's much faster and easier. When you sign up, this is what you'll see. This is your profile. Your name will appear here with your profile photo right above it. And to the left, you'll be able to link your profile to different social network profiles. You should join with at least one account because doing so increases your chances of being recruited, which means you'll be able to earn more money using this platform. So before we continue, I'd want to point out that you will be able to set your own rates, as shown below. So you may charge whatever amount you see fit, and you will also be paid quickly, so you won't have to wait long. You may now look at some individuals who are making money by creating those articles on the same page. So I pulled up this person's CV, and if you scroll down, you'll find all the articles he's published so far, so each of which is earning him hundreds of dollars. And as you can see, you can still make a lot of money even if you have to write all of these yourself, and you'll be able to even make more money by doing significantly less work because I'll show you where you can find articles that are already done for you. But before I show you that, there's something else I'd want to say on your profile page. Your CV will only be 15% when you create your account, as you can see right here, and you'll need a 100% to get paid. If you click on Improve Your CV below, you'll see a list of what you need to do to get it to 100%. So as you can see from here, you must post a profile photo, connect your social media accounts, add categories to which you will write, create a tagline, and so much more. You can also see from here that you will need to add at least 6 more pieces. What they mean is you must have 6 or more articles on your profile page. So right now, Let me show you where exactly we can get these articles. And the location where we can discover them is Google. Now you will need to go to Google and look for things related to the categories you saw on Clear Voice. So you can look for something in the fields of advertising, finance, healthcare, and so much more. You will be able to see all of the categories in question if you click on View All right here. And if you're not sure of what you're looking for, you can choose from one of these categories. Also, you'll want to open up the CVs of some of these individuals and see what kinds of articles they are writing. And you'll want to look for something identical. As you can see, I chose the finance category and search for finance tips for businesses on Google. I'm now able to choose from a number of distinct articles, and here's the best part about Google. New articles are released every day, which means you'll never run out of ideas and will always have something new to use and upload on Clear Voice. So anyway, what you want to do now is open up any of these and try to identify the best and most engaging one in your opinion, which will then you'll want to copy. However, because you cannot upload the exact same article on Clear Voice without violating copyrights, you will need to rewrite it first. So, to rewrite the specific articles, all we have to do is go to quillbot.com. This is the website that we'll use for that specific reason. To have the article rewritten for you, simply paste it in here and click Rewrite, and it will be rewritten in a matter of seconds. With that being said, I do have a few suggestions for you in terms of rewriting articles. First and foremost, double check that the rewritten article is free of errors. Because after all, Quillbot is a piece of software. Some portions of the article will be unclear, and as a result, you should look over the article carefully to ensure that there are no errors. The second piece of advice is that you can merge two separate articles on occasion. For example, if you search for finance tips on Google, you can open up two or multiple articles and rewrite half of each with Quillbot, and combine the two parts into a single article. This will give you more originality and may result in you being paid more. In any case, once you've rewritten the article with Quillbot and corrected any errors, you'll want to copy it and then go to docs.google.com and click on blank here to open a blank document. Copy the article and save it to your computer to upload to Clear Voice. So in here, just go to the top left and click on File. And then to download it to your computer, just click on the download button right here. Then, select PDF for the file format. You should now go to Clear Voice and click on Add Content down here, then upload a file. After you've located it on your computer and uploaded it, you'll need to choose a category. In my case, I chose Finance. The major function is Copy Editor, the content type is Article, and you may now create a description if you wish, but it is not required. To publish your article, simply click Update down below. From here guys, you will basically rinse and repeat. Find an article on Google, copy it and rewrite it using Quillbot, paste it into Google Docs, save it to your PC, and upload it to Clear Voice. So by doing this, you'll be able to easily post unique articles in as little as 5 minutes. And the more you upload, the more money you'll earn. And that's it for today's video. If you like more of this content, then be sure to give this video a thumbs up. Also, subscribe to the channel and turn on the notification bell to be notified on new videos. That's it for me, and I'll see you in the next video.